People, the things that are hidden in plain sight, it's ridiculous. It's completely ridiculous. I mean, hang on for a few minutes and you will be stunned. You will be stunned, I promise you. Look, okay. Here we have some of southern Scandinavia. Here we have the island of Sealand. We have the island of Funen. We have some small islands here. We have the peninsula of Jutland, which hangs on to continental Europe, Germany, Poland. And here we have Sweden. Here we have Stockholm, the capital. And here we have the third biggest lake in entire Europe. It's Lake Vänern. And and here we have Lake Vättern. Guess where that came from? Öland, huh? Yeah, this is Öland, and the soil of Öland. The soil of Öland is not similar to the soil of the east coast here of Sweden. It is similar to the soil here north of, guess where? Jönköping, and this hole here left filled with water by by this one. Okay, that's another story. This is Vänern, and this obviously was dug out of Sweden. This Sjælland, Sjæl means soul, Sjælland, soul land. Okay, people. So in Denmark is a huge big ass tourist attraction and a fountain. It's a big ass fountain. It's one of the biggest in Europe also. It's called the Gefjon Fountain. It's situated by the inner harbor in Copenhagen, so almost close to the water, but almost by the sea, you can say. And so the story goes like this. It was first mentioned in the 9th century, or it was like it was recorded in a 13th century where it said it originated from a 9th century poem, but it was the Swedish king. The Swedish king Gylfi promised Gefjon the territory she could plow in a night, and she turned her 4 sons into oxen. As you can see, Gefjon. She was allowed to plow out apparently by the Swedish king Gylfi. She was allowed to plow what she could in a night by her sons that she had, by a spell she had turned them into oxen and put them and made them plow for an entire night. And she had Sealand cut out of Scania, cut out of Sweden. The soil of Sealand is it's nowhere near, it's got nothing to do with the soil of Funen. It's got nothing to do with the soil of Jutland. But it has got everything to do with the soil of Scania. This part of Sweden, it has got everything to do with that soil. As with Öland, has got nothing to do with the east coast of Sweden, but has got everything to do with this part, where there is, a missing piece of land. Wow. And you can see how, you can see even the fjord here, Roskilde Fjord and Isefjord, and how look at this peninsula here. It's so obvious. They tell us, they make a big fountain to show it to us. And you know what? Originally when this was put up, this fountain back in 1908, it was to be put on the city square hall at first. But then they put it by the sea, by the inner harbor. Of course it should be by the sea, because Sealand was thrown into the sea by some big ass giants. I don't know what, but there are no forests on flat earth. And Sealand, soul land, was thrown into the sea. Maybe that's why people from Jutland call it the Devil Island. Look at this depth, 106 meters. And what do you think, how tall do you think the tallest point of Sealand is? It's around 120 meters. And the soil is similar.